Okay.
So this is Martin. He
Martin.
is our excavation contractor, and he's going to dig all our foundation walls and pour them.
Martin, what do we need down in your neck of the woods to prep for the 2 stories?
Well, today we're doing the layout where the new footing is going to go in for the section that they add into this house.
So you say footing. We're not talking about a full foundation here.
It's a continuous 24-inch by 12 inches deep continuous concrete footing.
Steel reinforced?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
That just goes right into the ground? How deep?
We have to dig down about 18 inches.
18 inches for a 2-story addition. I wish I could do that up north. We have to be 4 or 5 feet deep.
Right.
Yeah, it looks like it's a little different here.
So no forms for that footing.
The ground is our form for
Yeah, because
concrete
you're hand
footing.
digging it, you can control the sidewalls and really
Correct.
make it nice and neat. Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess you can dig by hand when you only got to go 18 inches, right?
Yeah, I
Ty?
guess you can. And the digging looks pretty good here. It's pretty good. They're using those little plastic ties there, and those are holding the rebar up 1/3 of the height of the foundation. You always want the rebar in the lower third because that's where you can get breakout, and the rebar holds it together.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.